What's up, guys? This is Piggyback Gaming, also known as Joseph. Here playing as Yoshikind, cause that is my name in Roblox. And yeah, so yeah, this is we're playing Roblox today, and there's a storm coming, and there is a bunch of guests here. So yeah, we're playing Roblox. It's pretty laggy right now. I'm gonna go in here, and we're playing Natural Disaster Survival because I'm gonna start doing some Roblox videos, like 2-3 a week, since I haven't done a lot of videos this week because I've been in school and projects and stuff. Well, now I'm not, because it's Sunday. Saturday I didn't really upload anything. Well, I did. The Johan Acid Rain. Shoot that screen. No. No, we're gonna die in here. Uh-oh. I'm gonna die. Oh gosh, that turned that color. No, it turned green. I'm stuck. Someone help! Oh. I just died. How did I just die? I died. Somehow. I somehow died, guys. Also, that's my shirt, Yoshi. Right there. Yeah, this is my shirt and skin. So, if you see me playing any games in Roblox, just like, whatever. I won't be friending you guys. I'm sorry. I have my own friends in Roblox that are my actual friends, so I know that can be mean, but they're friends, guys. Or you guys could follow me. I don't really care. So the NCDM fan is online, whoever that is, and there's a bunch of guests, and they almost died. So wow, I didn't even survive that because something happened, guys. It could happen to you in Blocks, Hurricane, whatever, Insurance. So oh guys, look, we're in the top 10 survival list. 40 points, yeah guys. I'm in the top 10 survival list. Can you guys believe that?
Hey!
Oh guys, Blue Yoshi's here. Hi Blue Yoshi.
Oh, I just bought a new phone. Look at it. Look. Shove it in your face.
Wow, bro. Okay, so he has an iPhone 6, right? That's an iPhone 6?
No, iPhone 5 now.
What?
Yeah.
But you should have gotten the 7.
Is this a iPhone 5?
That's the iPhone 6.
Oh. I hacked into someone's account now.
Okay, Chris is calling me. And there's a lightning storm. Hide under the stairs. Guys, so you might hear Chris in the phone because he is here. He's calling me right now.
Are you gonna answer?
Yes, I am. Oh gosh, something broke. Guys, we're hiding under the stairs.
Oh, we're playing Natural Disasters.
Johan, you want to join me?
Johan? Who's Johan?
Hi, Chris. Guess what? You're on YouTube right now.
Bad news for both of us.
It's raining.
I have some bad news.
What?
Please don't get in trouble.
What?
My mom found out about Sophie's grandpa, and she realized that we got in trouble.
Oh.
She found out about what?
Oh.
Found out about what?
Sophie's grandpa video.
Yeah.
Now I'm like, not in trouble, but I don't know what's gonna happen.
You're on YouTube right now.
I can only do videos with you if somebody's there. And I can't, like, be bad.
Okay.
Oh,
I think you should delete that one. Cause what if, like, the school finds out or something?
Oh. Well, right now you're.
Maybe.
Right now
Hey,
you're.
dude.
Look, I'm in the top 10, right?
Yeah, dude.
Dude, you're on YouTube right now. I'm doing a video.
Dude, I'm right in front of you jumping.
I know, bro.
High five. Well, you can't really high
Okay.
five.
Goodbye.
Oh my god! Who's that?
And let's continue. I think it's a tsunami, earthquake, a fire, or a volcano.
Wee! 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 Wee!
Where are you?
I'm over here! Over here! Over here! Wee!
Wait, meteor shower, what?
Wee!
Dude, meteor shower.
Wee! Come with me!
No.
There's so much people here!
Vaya, tráigame. Ah, mira, esos papeles, ¿quién los botó?
Wait, guys.
¿Ah? Esos papeles, ¿quién los botó? Johan, recoge los papeles, tira acá.
My mom here.
Eso no se bota ahí, ¿qué le pasa? Dale. Es buena las sandalias. Toma, checa. Toma las sandalias.
Video, ya voy a terminar.
Pero ¿cómo haciendo videos si está hablando de esas dos cosas?
Okay, I'll take over for you, Joseph.
No.
Necesito que vaya a traer ese, si vamos a almorzar a un restaurante y necesitamos ver las tarjetas del carro.
Wait.
Whoa, this is so fun!
I would make this video 15 minutes, but I have to do it 10 minutes, I think, because I'm going to River Star Diner. Best place in New Jersey to me. I love their spaghetti and meatballs.
Guys!
Guys, we reached 21 subscribers, then we lost one, so how dare you.
Guys, please don't unsubscribe.
Yeah.
We love you all.
And I love making videos. Oh man, I'm dead.
You are? I wish you
I died because I glitched, and there's no meteor shower.
I wish you could spectate.
Yeah, there's no meteors. How did...
I was literally the whole time on the same thing.
Nice, bro. And I'm still in the top 10.
I'm with Star Wars.
I'm 4th place, guys.
Aww.
Dang it. Yeah, I'm still 4th.
Ooh, party place again. Me and Star Wars are going back to the same place. Oh, we got teleported back.
Who's Star Wars? Oh, clouds are coming.
Star Wars is over there.
I'm not going because look at the clouds.
Who cares? Star Wars and me are having so much fun.
I think it's a tornado
No one cares.
or a blizzard or sandstorm.
I'm gonna friend Star Wars.
If it's a tornado, I'm dead. I'm inside somewhere.
Yeah, Star Wars is my new friend.
Hello, come here to get $500. Tornado, dang it! Where's the tornado?
Ah, it's coming to me.
I don't know where it is. Oh my gosh, it's right there. Retreat.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna stay in the ride.
No, it's following me.
Well, it's not following me.
No, I'm dead. I'm dead, guys. I'm dead. Nope, I'm still alive.
Ah, gee.
Who's Pikachu lover? He friended me.
And me.
Sorry, guys, I can't friend. Also, soon I'll do a live stream. So yeah.
No, half of my favorite ride broke. Ah! Star Wars, don't push me like that. Ah!
After this, it's the last round in natural disasters.
Oh!
And also, if you want more videos just of this natural disasters, like.
Ah, it's coming! It's coming!
I'm running.
Why is there a huge head? Hey, I see you. You see me on the ride?
Tornado's coming to me.
I see you. But do you see me on the ride?
No.
I'm on the same ride.
Why is it? Yes.
I'm
It's
still on
alright.
the same ride.
I was falling.
Hey, Yoshi, come here.
Where are you?
I'm still on the ride.
What?
Me and Star Wars are still on the ride.
But it finished.
But we're still on the same ride. Now we're walking. We just saw. Now the whole place is gone. Yeah, Party Palace.
I'm in 4th place, guys. in Natural disasters.
The best place is the ride.
Again, this is the 3rd time in a row.
I know the ride is the best place.
I think it's a tsunami.
No, it isn't.
I'm just saying tsunami. I'm guessing. What do you think it is?
I think it's acid rain.
I say tsunami. He says acid rain, tsunami. Well, there's
I
no
say
clouds.
fire. I mean,
Or
flood
fire.
flash.
Meteor shower.
was
Oh
close.
gosh, no.
That was close.
Okay. I didn't do.
Hey guys, Blue Yoshi here. Blue Yoshi here. Let's go where I am.
Tienen que arreglarse.
Yeah, Yoshi kind. Now you can see me in Star Wars.
Yo me metí en ese recuerdo esta muñeca. Se los botó, se los recoge.
Okay, so ahorita.
Y esa almohada. Bueno, aquí vaya a coger esa grande y vaya a meter el bolso en otra. Ya, porque ya grabó el video, ya nomás.
Okay. So I have to get off this.
No, you don't. Come back with me in Star Wars.
No.
You are so rude. Wait, did you get teleported back?
Yeah.
Me and Star Wars are still here.
Well, I'm about to end the video. So thank you guys for watching this natural disasters. First, let's see what place we're in. I wonder if I'm gonna beat this like the entire day. I'm in 4th.
Am I in there?
Yes, you're 10th. There you are. Thank you guys. Bye.